Nicole, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video. This is a different location in my house. I am just trying to do too many things today, but I absolutely had to do this unboxing right now. I need to share this with you and I am super excited to see it myself. So this is the package. Now, I do want to say a massive thank you to Balala Bags. I believe that's how you pronounce it. So it is spelt for reference B-A-B-A-L-A-B-A-G-S. So I'm taking that as Balaba, Bab, Al. I'm not sure. I'm so sorry if that's wrong. So also I do want to mention, if you use the code NL5686, you will also receive 5% off your order. So all the details will be in the description box below. So definitely, if you order from them, please let me know. I would love to know what you've purchased and what you think when you receive it. Two things I may be looking here. I do have my son who is currently eating and my dog behind me. So let's get into it. Packaging so far. Actually, let's start with the shipping process. Now, obviously, companies have no, the shipping is not on them, but I do want to say that it was sent and then the tracking said the plane had landed for about, I think it just sat there for about 11 days. And then all of a sudden it started moving and it didn't take very long to get here once it had started moving. But yeah, I was very confused at why it just sat there for 11 days. And I do want to say, dealing with Anne at this company, she has been amazing. Honestly, so helpful, super quick to respond to everything, and just really a lovely person. So we have a box inside the box, so perfect size. Let me just try and get it out. So there's actually a lot of different bags, things that you can purchase off this website, so definitely check them out. So, I'm so sorry. We have some tissue paper and then a beautiful dust bag. Oh my gosh, already I'm so excited. So let's get it out. Now it does have a little bit of a smell. We have some things in the box which I will show you. So we have the ribbon, and then these usually come with like little authenticity cards and things like that. And this is just a care booklet. But what we really want to see is the product. Dust bag, really nice quality. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Now, I do want to say, I do have a few Louis Vuitton bags and they did actually give me the option of picking what I wanted. Now, I just want to say, I'm in my mum era. Like, I cannot use a small handbag at the moment, so I decided to go with a backpack. Oh my God, it looks so good. The packaging so far, can I just say, I love that they've put it in the plastic, like just in case. Oh, it's actually really wrapped nicely. So just in case, you know, it hits some bad weather or something like that, it will be protected. Oh my God, so cute. Now I do want to, I don't have many things in the monogram, but just for reference, I want to show you and for myself to see how close this is to the real monogram. So 1 second. Now this is not a lot to compare it to. I'm just going to move this. So I have this little wallet, which Wow, look at it's the same. It's literally the same color. I'm really, really impressed with that. This is authentic, so just so you are all aware. So let's start to take the packaging off it. So I'm gonna start with the top. The leather is so nice and soft. I'm really, really into this. So I have to say the smell is quite strong, but it's one of those things that once you air it out, it'll be fine. Oh my gosh. So I'm skeptical about these straps, if they're gonna fall off or not. Reviews on this bag have not mentioned any issues, so we'll see. I have to say it's not the most convenient way to adjust a backpack, but I guess that's just the way they've chosen to do it. I'll do that shortly. So all the surfaces are basically protected, which I love. So when you receive it, it's going to be fresh and new. And I love, if you aren't up to date with this product, you may or may not know, they actually had a version out where the zipper had a lot of problems and it was getting caught and ripping the bag and the canvas basically. So I love that this is an updated version where the zipper is more exposed, so you don't have anything like that. So for reference as well, just so you are aware, this is the Palm Springs MM. I love that they've stuffed it as well. So it's got a beautiful shape. It's gonna be hard to show you. Inside is just the leather Louis Vuitton tag. And then we have, I'm the worst at these, the front pocket here, which also they have stuffed. So once you take the stuffing out, obviously it does lose its shape a little bit, but this is the bag. So if I can actually get the straps on, which seems to be quite difficult. Hang on one second. This is just gonna be a second. I just feel like if you're out and about and you want to change the straps, oh my god, I feel like it's fully ripping. This isn't good. This is not, like, this isn't this company. This is how Louis Vuitton do it, and it's just strange to me. So I've done 1, 2, 3. All right, I've done 1. Hopefully that's right, because I am interested to see how this looks and how comfortable it is. So, oh, I can't tell you how hard this is. They are kind of still connected. All right, 1 second. But I can confirm quality-wise, like you guys saw it next to the authentic wallet. Okay, we've done it. It is so close. All right. Let me bring it down. I'm in the worst outfit. Ooh. What do you think? I think I need to make it maybe a bit looser. But, so this will be my son's new backpack, pretty much. Wow, to put all his things in. How cute, super comfortable, really, really nice. But yeah, it just needs to, I feel like once the leather is used a bit, then it will definitely become a lot nicer. But so far, I really, really like that. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you're a mum, have you gone from an amazing handbag collection to a backpack? I would love to know. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much to Bilala Bags. I would love to hear if you do make a purchase and your thoughts on this bag. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.